In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw in CapCut PC, step by step, using the built-in shape and pen tools. Whether you want to add straight lines, arrows, or custom-drawn paths to highlight something in your edit, this is a quick and easy way to make your videos look more professional. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and go to the top left media section. From there, click on the Stickers tab. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of visual assets, including shape tools that you can use for drawing. Once you're inside Stickers, look at the left sidebar menu. Right beneath your favorites and hot categories, you'll see the Shapes category. Click on that to open the full set of drawing options. Now you'll see a few different tools depending on what kind of line or shape you want to create. If you want something simple and fast, like a straight line or an arrow, CapCut gives you dedicated line and arrow preset icons. Just click one of those presets and it will instantly drop onto your timeline. This is perfect when you want to point to something on screen, underline text, or create a clean visual emphasis without drawing it manually. If you want more control, go for the pen tool. To find it, scroll to the very last icon in the Shapes panel. That last option is the Custom Pen tool, and this is the one you'll use for drawing your own line paths. Once you select it, move your cursor over the Preview Player window. Click once where you want your line to begin. That first click creates your starting anchor point. Then move your mouse to where you want the line to end and click again. CapCut will snap a perfectly straight line between the 2 points. That makes it really easy to draw precise lines exactly where you need them. If you want the line to curve instead of staying straight, you can click and drag after placing your point. That lets you shape the path more naturally, which is useful for custom annotations or more creative effects. When you're finished drawing your path, press Enter or click your final point to complete it. This confirms the shape and adds it properly to your project. If you don't finalize it, the tool may stay active, so always make sure to finish the path before moving on. After you've drawn the line or shape, you can customize it in the right-hand panel, under Basic. This is where you can change the vector stroke color to match your design, adjust the line weight if you want it thinner or thicker, and even add a stroke outline for extra visibility. You can also give it a shadow if you want the drawing to stand out more against the background. These settings are really helpful if you're making tutorials, gaming edits, or any video where you need your drawing to be easy to see. A good tip is to keep your lines clean and simple if you're using them to guide the viewer's attention. Thick, colorful strokes work well for tutorials, while thinner lines may look better for subtle design elements. If you're using arrows, make sure they clearly point to the exact object or text you want the viewer to notice. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how polished your edit looks. And that's how to draw in CapCut PC, using the Shapes panel and Custom Pen tool. Once you know where these tools are, it only takes a few clicks to add lines, arrows, and custom shapes to your videos. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.